Let's talk about the flexibility exercises for the lower back. There's lots of exercises out there. These are the ones that have been referenced in the literature. So let's review those first and some of the nuances that you need to know when doing it. First is going to be hamstrings. So Allie, let's just show a basic straight hamstring stretch, and that's perfect. Her foot's in neutral. Let's dorsiflex the foot a little bit. That's going to get a little bit more through the gastrocs, and that is going to be a nice hamstring stretch. You can do it like that. You can also use a stretch out strap. So why don't you hook up the strap. The strap can be done a couple of ways. So you can just pull on the strap. You can get the tension there. Again, dorsiflexion of the foot, and that's going to help give you more authority. She can do a contract, relax, push a little bit, hold for 5 seconds, and then pull, do a contract, relax. Another really good way to get good authority on the hamstring is take up all the slack. Now bring up your right leg. That gives her a little bit more room, give her a little bit more slack. Now Allie's a gymnast, so she's getting excessive range of motion. Now straighten your right leg down. Boom! That really gets nice authority in there, doesn't it? Yeah, that's a really good way to use the strap, so relax. So she's got good flexibility. Work with your patients up to that point where you can get good authority on the muscles, but not too much. You want to hold this for at least 20 seconds. Your older patients, you're going to have to go to 30 seconds or more. The next one is just start with a spinal twist. From this position, just let the knees rotate over and then rotate over. Again, she's got good mobility. And from that, we progress to the star stretch. You know, when people try to adjust themselves, the hips come over, the arm comes out. Now, most people will be here, but Allie, straighten your leg out. She can get way out here again because she's got good flexibility. They're trying to get that rotation, and rotation's okay, just work up to it, all right? From there, let's flip over onto our stomach. And let's do the anterior chain or the cobra. Now, come up into the cobra, or they call it in yoga. Now, if your belly button's coming up, we don't want that, okay? We want to keep your hips down on the ground. So you got to move the arms out. There you go. Big difference. We want to keep the pelvis on the ground, open up the hip flexors without getting as much compression in through the lumbar spine, in through the facets. So cobra is really good. The next one we want to add is your basic, another from yoga, cat camel, cat cow. So let's go into the quadruped position, and then we're going to go into the what do you want to do? Let's do the cat first. Perfect. You see what she did? She opened up the neck into the spine. Now go the cat rather. Chin goes down, whole spine's rounded, and then switch it. I like a 3 to 5 second hold, okay? But she's getting the whole spine, she's using the neck, getting the full spine. Flip it again. Good. Everything's working well. It's not just the back, it's neck, thoracic, lumbar spine. Even getting the pelvis to tuck and rotate, getting the pelvis to rotate, all right? It's the whole spine. So that's going to be your series of your flexibilities. The cat camel, I really only hold them about 3 to 5 seconds each. I use that more as a mobility. The other ones, they'll hold a little bit longer.